everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you wheat halwa recipe. It's very easy to make. We always make wheat halwa with sugar, but today I'm going to make wheat halwa with brown sugar. 1 cup wheat flour, 3/4 cup desi ghee, 3/4 cup brown sugar. If you like sweeter, then please add 1 cup. 3 cup water, dry nuts, almonds, cashews, raisins, and without wasting in time, let's start making our delicious wheat halwa, Atte the halwa. This will be a 2-step process. The first step will be making a chasni. We'll start the gas. We place the pot on top of it and we're going to add brown sugar and water. Cover it and bring it to boil. We're going to start another burner. Get a koi. First add desi ghee. Add atta, which is wheat flour. Mix it. And on medium gas, keep it cooking. You don't want to cook on high gas, then it will burn real fast. So we're going to cook it really well. So keep it moving and keep cooking. The flour is fully cooked, as you see. This is a nice color. This is what we need. And on the back burner, I turn off the gas. The water started to boil and you can see it's all ready. We'll add cashews, raisins, almonds and mix it well. And now we're going to put water and we're going to keep mixing. So if you have a screen splatter, that's a good idea to put it on so it won't spray out, and keep mixing. As you see, it stopped bubbling and now we can keep mixing. And keep your gas low. This is important. When you mix it, then you keep the gas on simmer. Atte the halwa. Wheat flour halwa is all ready. And if you notice that when we're going to move around, it's not going to stick at the bottom. That's mean this is nicely cooked. As I move, the bottom looks nice and clean. That means it's fully cooked. So we're going to cook it on a simmer for another minute or so. So keep it moving like this. Once it starts to make like a ball, like this, when you're moving it, it's not sticking at the bottom. That means it's fully cooked. Another 2 minutes of cooking on a simmer. If you look at this, look at this. This is what you need. When you move it, either way, you move it, nothing sticking at the bottom. That means it's fully cooked. I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to dish out. I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. Look at how delicious. Wheat halwa is all ready. Let me share with you. Prior to serving, garnish with almonds. And this is very tasty and very delicious halwa recipe with brown sugar. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.